The Cayman 4 floor plan is great for today's active family. Built in 2004, this one-owner home sits on a nicely cleared 2.27-acre lot. A cleared lot of this size offers lots of space for outdoor activities. Large windows and sliders make a bright formal living and dining area. Kitchen offers Corian countertop, large pantry and built-in desk. Kitchen looks over the family room, great for entertaining and everyday family fun. The master bedroom offers a spacious master bath with a huge closet and sliders that open to the lanai. New metal roof just 1 year ago. 3-car garage for your extra toys and storage. Located in a highly desired area of Golden Gate Estates. Outstanding school zone, a quick ride to the new Publix, many shops and county parks via Randal or Oil Well. Prefect location to raise a family.